welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna do how to straighten your natural hair. Here are the steps to take. You're gonna start off by separating your hair in four. You're gonna need your spray bottle, heat protection spray, a nice blow dryer, and a whitening comb. And as you're gonna see, I'm like combing it out first and then I'm blow drying it. Just FYI, I usually use that like small beak. I don't even know what it's called, but it's attached to your blow dryer, but I couldn't find it before doing this video. So I'm kind of sad. So you're gonna see me doing my hair like this, and as you can see, I switch it to a dampening brush just to brush my hair out. This is going really fast, oh my gosh. But anyways, I'm gonna twist it out, then leave it up, and repeat the same steps. So wipe to comb, brush it out, combing it out, heat protection spray, and then blow drying it. Alright, finally ready to straighten my hair. So I'm gonna take out the twist, put it up in one bun, and I'm going to take pieces by pieces and straighten it. So the way I'm going to use it is I'm going to do the chasing method. So I'm going to straighten my hair and take a comb and then chase it down with my straightener. Simple as that. So I'm going to repeat these steps all around. Alright, so I'm just gonna let you guys look at the video. It's pretty self-explanatory, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in my next video.